auxiliary belts, so no more noise. I was afraid it was a knocking noise, but I'll have to figure out which one is producing the noise. Maybe this one, as it's got some play in its shaft. I don't know, maybe this tensioner was loose, and that one was looking like the belt was spinning and the tensioner itself was not spinning. Maybe I'll have to replace this one, but no more noise, which is amazing. Of course there are some errors as the belts are not on the car, but the engine sounds just amazing, so that means no engine problem. It's warm and it's running perfectly. I'm not sure you can hear it, but it seems like I have a vacuum leak. No, it does not sound. So I'll have to address this issue, because I want this car to run properly. Turned off the engine, so I find out that the steering pump has a play coming from its shaft. Also this pulley has a play. The alternator does not have display. This one, which is another pulley, does not have display. Let me check the compressor. The compressor does not have display. And this is the main pulley. And this one also does not have display. So one of two are the reason for that engine sound. This belt on, there is the same noise, which is quite annoying. I will pull off this belt and install only the other one, only to make sure it's not the main bearing, the main pulley that is creating this noise. But I suspect one of these two, because these two were the ones that were having some play without the belt. So decided to install the other belt without this one running. So the issue is either this pulley or the steering pump. As you can see, there is a play. So this one, and this one are not the issue. This is the air compressor pump. So the engine runs smooth, no noises, no vibrations, which means these ones are the culprit.